Hello and welcome back to another Wise Weight Management video. Our website provides you with some of the best advice on how you can lose weight, and since you've already clicked on this video, we know that you're curious and willing to try something new. Once you have completed the video, please feel free to click the subscribe button to view more of the content we have to offer. Now let's get started. With each new year comes the determination to begin exercising. Perhaps even you made a promise to add more exercise into your day. If your efforts at exercising are not going as well as you had planned, take a look at these tips. They might help get you back on track. Tip number 1, do something you enjoy. Exercise doesn't have to mean spending hours at the gym pedaling away on a stationary bike. It doesn't mean you have to spend money on exercise gadgets you will likely never use, either. Anything you do to get your body moving is going to be better than doing nothing. Walking is an easy exercise that you can do just about anywhere, in any climate. Bike riding, dancing, gardening, weightlifting, swimming, playing a favorite sport, house cleaning and even playing in the yard with your children are just some of the ways you can add exercise into your daily routine. Tip number 2, schedule time for exercise. As you would a meeting or a doctor appointment, sometimes the only way to make time to exercise is to put it on your daily schedule. We've all got busy lives and we're often so busy taking care of others that we never seem to make time for ourselves. Once exercise becomes part of your daily to-do list, you're more likely to do it. Some people have only a certain time during the day available for exercise, while others will have to vary the time each day. Some people need a nudge, and for them, exercising with a friend is a good solution. Choose whichever way works best for you. Just remember to actually go and do it. Tip number 3, remember that exercise can energize. Even though you might feel too tired to exercise, give it a try anyway. You might be surprised to find how energized you feel while you're doing it, and afterwards when you're finished. Exercise is a great stress reliever too, and if you know anything about stress, you know that it is one of the body's biggest energy sappers. Tip number 4, don't be afraid to mix it up. Like anything that is done over and over again, exercise can become mundane. When you get bored with exercising, you're less likely to keep at it. To keep from getting bored with your workout routine, change it. If you're tired of walking, try cycling. If you're into weightlifting, try alternating this with cardiovascular exercises throughout the week. Go bowling or play a game of tennis once in a while, and if you find you enjoy these types of activities, join up with a team. Tip number 5, always begin by warming up. Regardless of the type of exercise you choose, it is very important that you begin each session by warming up your muscles. Stretching helps prevent damage to muscle tissue and it gets your blood flowing. It gets your heart pumping, too. Just 5 minutes is all it takes to get your exercise session off to a good start. That's all we have today for you from Wise Weight Management. If you have any further questions on the information displayed in this video, let us know in the comments section below and we will be more than happy to answer them. Please also check out our website in the description to learn about more ways in which you can improve your lifestyle and make sure you reach your weight loss goals.